there's a really good project that's direction there where we've taken a customer came with a stock BMW and he wanted updated front forks. So we've gone for tri-speed triple front forks on it. He wanted, instead of having a twin shock, it's gone for a single shock right down the middle. So that's the first time we've done one of those. So welded on a whole part of the swing arm and bolts to underneath the frame. So it's a lovely monoshock right down the middle of that. So that's a very
Nice.
different sort of thing, because normally we just work on the standard suspension, changing the suspension at the back. We have done one before with different forks, a bobber, but this is more of a racing style. He wanted not clip-ons, but he wanted sort of like ace bars on it. So we've done that on that one. So that's a really interesting project. Working on a new version of Death to Petrol as well. That's in CAD at the moment.
Cool.
And that one's going to be all sort of the headstock and different parts of the bike all going to be CNC'd and then tubing welder onto that. So it's going to be a really clean frame. So you won't see any of the welding at all. Like it's one piece. So that's the one that I want to take to Festival Speed. And that's going to have a bigger battery, bigger motor on that one. So I'm nearly there on that. The CAD is nearly finished on that one. And then I think I've got another electric conversion coming in soon where a guy's got a sort of quite a modern aluminium twin spar frame and he wants us to put a motor in that. And then there's just
Wow, that's cool.
bits and pieces lined up. BMW's coming.
Yeah, projects.
So a few projects.